Hello to everyone and welcome back to a new video. I just finished filming the video where I teach you or show you a few tricks to learn how to ride. And now I'm going home. There's already a helicopter coming for me. Oh, way too nice. And now, thanks to my how to blur the speed, which you can watch on the top right corner, you can blur the speed just like me. Wow, this bike sounds so awesome, but I would love to get an exhaust fitted on it, but since I got to university now, I had to leave or quit my job, so right now I don't have any earnings, so yeah, I don't have the money no more, so yeah. So please watch my videos till the end so I can buy an SC project. No, I'm not begging for money. Because after university and after I get a job, I will for sure buy another bike. And depending on the new why is that so wet? But then, and depending on the offers for S1000R, I might swap bikes since this one gives me a few problems. Actually, let's see if the one problem disappears. Okay, the pressure gets shown to me on both tires, which is great. Wow, I didn't think I would ever see the day where I can see both pressures at the same time. BMW, I'm sorry. Wow, this sound. Imagine how obnoxious the sound would be with a fitted exhaust. This is some sort of state trooper on the left here, since the license plate is red, but I'm not sure if it's Pronto Soccorso or police. But I think it's Pronto Soccorso, so yeah, they won't stop me. By the way, I started to voice over in different languages on the how to blur. I manually I recorded the audio in 3 languages, so I spoke it in German, Italian, and obviously English. Wow, that's scary. That was scary. There's a military helicopter right there. What's he doing? Right now I'm going to the airport of Bolzano to, I don't know, maybe get a nice photo or something, and in an hour I need to be at Kupa, which is a bar in Bolzano, actually in the center. So yeah, I cannot go too far right now, so I'll just show you a little bit the scenery here. I believe is actually quite a nice scenery right now. And here you turn into the airport, which is quite a small airport. Only small planes can land here, but it's the only one in the region, and actually not only, but the flights here are very expensive, and there's just a few airplanes that can land at the same time. And actually Sky Alp is the only one that starts and lands from here. But there are also a lot of private jets from celebrities and other people that go here. A friend of my parents works here at the airport at the custom, and he tells me quite a few times about celebrities coming here. Police already here. They probably won't see this bike too much here. Okay, no, they closed the parking lot because the parking lot were just passed. Back in the day it used to be free, the whole parking lot, and you could just enter it, but now there is a car rental here, so you cannot park anymore for free. And right there you already see two private jets. I don't believe they are from a company, so if you know who these jets are from, OAHGL. Okay, interesting. But yeah, two nice private jets. And here's actually quite a good restaurant. I don't know if they closed now, if they are closed, since you only went here because you could park there, and now since you cannot park there, well, it's not that nice to go here anymore, but I hope they're still open. It's a good Italian restaurant, and yeah, check it out if you want. Let's blink for once. Oh, I started in second gear. Oops. Let's go to the front. That's the nice thing with motorcycles, you can simply go to the front. Come on, finally turn green. Alright. Right. Fuck. I forgot, it's 4 o'clock. People finish work now. From now until 6 o'clock at night or in the evening, people, they finish work. So there's a lot of traffic now. Whoa, I didn't think about that. How stupid. Oh, there is a nice Porsche right here. Wow, those are some white tires. 911. Is this one of those who has the extractable spoiler, which comes up at a certain speed, and how do you call it? Active arrow. Does it have one of that? I hope so. Those are awesome. And it looks great too. Sound, I don't know. But come on, why doesn't he want me to pass him? He goes all the way to the left, this asshole. I'm thinking of passing on the right. That would be nice, because if it blocks the left, I could simply go to the right. In Italy, it's not illegal to pass as long as you stay within your own lane. So if it was all the way to the right and I'd surpass on the left and I'd not cross the line, I'd be fine. But a lot of people in Italy are assholes and they don't let you pass. So that's a little bit of the reason why people get creative. And right here is Barchetti, a quite big car dealer within the region. And this car dealer actually owns Activa Spa, which is the BMW dealer I go to. So in theory, they get my money. Quite a little work. And we actually bought our last two cars at Barchetti. So yeah, the world is small. And here on the right there is a supercar seller, and they have always some nice Ferrari and Porsche, sometimes BMW. I actually never seen a Lamborghini there, but maybe sometime they will have one. And yeah. Here is the 20, the shopping center that's been here for the past, I don't know, 10 years, something like that. And the region or the country recently built a new shopping center in the center of the city, which is called Park, and I was there 1-2 times, but I find it really bad. Since there's a lot of stores, but each store is a small store, so they don't have that much option. So yeah, there's a driving school, and he could have gone like 10 times. Okay, he went. Good. Because when you hesitate too much in an exam, you fail. At least here in Italy. And even if you write 10 beneath the limit, you fail. Because then the tester or the examiner says that you are not feeling confident enough to ride a car or bike. And actually, when I made the exam, there was a girl with me that failed because she was driving too slow. That's also something I never heard. I heard when you ride too fast, okay, but for too slow, I didn't hear that a lot of times. So yeah, we're coming to an end. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and if you enjoy my channel, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a great one, and have a good one. Bye!